Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Today we're going to do a basic and simple vlog. Cooking something quick and easy. What we're cooking, I don't even know. I just know the chicken is going to be baked. I don't want to fry chicken today. And we're doing mac and cheese, simple mac and cheese, and what else? Some asparagus and some Brussels sprouts. We might have somebody over, we might invite Tiffany over, I'm not quite sure, she might be busy. But yes, there's a whole little vibe that we're trying to have right here today. My cousin Keanu just helped me cut out the fats off the meat, basically. The excess fat, which is somewhere up there. Let's start hunting. While I'm over here, just heating up the water so I can just drop some elbow mac and cheese in. Really simple dish, nothing too detailed. Alright, so I just do some seasoning because it's ready. He just like, yo, he bustling up. Alright, so we threw some stuff in there. We threw some paprika, some Mrs. Dash herb and seasoning, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some pink Himalayan salt, cousin crushed some pimento, and that's basically it. How I like to season my chicken, of course, is always to make sure the seasoning has a nice thick coat on the top. And depending on how much is below, then you mix it in. Alright, do you think, cuz?
I already pre-washed my hands.
Yeah, straight up, I know. That's the whole vibe here. After it's done, because I don't have any browning, what I think I'm gonna do is to pour some honey over the top of it. Yeah, because we wanted to use what you call that thing again? The soy sauce. But I gave that to Tiffany as a gift, so yeah. Alright, let's do it. Why does it smell good? Your man smell good?
No, the chicken.
Oh my god.
No, I'm not saying that he stink, but the chicken.
No, that's what you're saying.
So straight up, yo, once you have a chicken that smells good from the get-go, you kind of know that the flavor is going to be really good. For me personally, the senses are intertwined together. Nasal, the mouth, you know, they both work together. And also the eyes as well. I mean, once the plating looks good and the food looks good, then it's going to tell persons that maybe it tastes good as well. So anyway, we're over here just chilling. We're basically just watching some Netflix. Just doing a little cook-up and thing. And yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next part where my cousin is about to massage the chicken with some honey. Not your butt. Massage the chicken with some honey and some ginger extract. The reason why I'm jumping for honey, as I said, I don't have any browning, so I kind of want the honey to give me a little bit of color to the chicken. And inside our fridge here we have some wine chilling already, so it's gonna be a whole vibe tonight. No, you can do more than that. Just pour it. Pour it on chicken, man. No. Just pour it. Pour. Stop. Alright, throw some honey on. Yo, slap that on. Yeah, just pour. More. A lot more. Yeah, that's it. So Danique has been calling me Chef Stefan. So now that Keanu is in the kitchen, we don't call him Keanu, we're gonna call him Chef Keanu. Alright, so our mac is already done, so I'm just gonna pop this off real quick and I'm just gonna combine everything that I need to combine with it. Chef Keanu with the back game. What's up? What's up?
You feel me?
Do your thing, bro. So why did you cover it over?
Because alright, next thing, the main reason, because I don't want any cross contamination.
Oh,
and
Jesus.
And
Keanu?
the other reason is
Keanu?
We want all the flavor to be absorbed by the fridge.
Ah, got you.
Yeah. Just leave him again settle for a week.
Cool.
Yeah, so.
Alright, so I washed my pan out really quick. And then I have a stick of margarine. Just gonna rub it all over that. So the mac and cheese doesn't stick. Alright, I basically felt like I was playing with crayons all over again. Super dope. Yeah, but we did that really because we don't want the mac and cheese to butter tastes nice, to stick to the pan. So anyway, just gonna add in some of the mac here, and as always I like doing it in layers basically. So that's the first layer right there, and I'm gonna be doing it the lazy person's way, but it's gonna have a whole heap of flavor. Alright, so these are some of the stuff I'm going to be using very, how can I say, the lazy person's way, because everything is powdered. But I normally make it with organic stuff, but today I don't have the time, and sometimes you guys are not going to have the time. So anyway, let's get to the onion powder. Give it a generous amount. If you don't want to use a powder, you can always just do a blending process and blend everything together. So onion powder, there. A little bit of Mrs. Dash there. Not too heavily because you don't want it overpowered. And you're gonna do the same method for like the next layer. So every layer you're gonna add one more of those. Alright. A bit of salt. That chef can do. And what else would you like to use? Oh yeah, some milk. What the milk is gonna do is to help it to stay hydrated, and I'm gonna also add some egg, because we want it to combine together. If you don't want it to combine, you don't have to add any eggs. But a little bit of milk. Alright. And we have our eggs in. Boom. Quick little tip. People always tell you, don't put 2 eggs in 1 cup, start with 1 egg just in case the other one is rotten. You won't put a rotten egg in your good batch. But I was praying for the guys. Alright. So what I'm gonna do now, just to make this easier, I'm gonna add some of the milk to the egg wash. So that way it works out even better. Yeah. So there we go. It's gonna help it to combine better. And then now, we are going to add our cheese. So I got about like these 2 packs of these. How much cheese is this? This is 2 cups of cheese. If you don't want to use shredded cheese or processed cheese, you can buy your own, but make sure it's 2 cups. I'm gonna be using about 4 cups because I got 2 packs of these. So it's a mac and cheese, you gotta make sure it's cheesy, yeah? So I'm gonna add some cheese there. Make sure it goes all around it. Yes. I'm gonna get a little bit weird, like a little bit weird. Where I have a little bit of granulated sugar, it's about half a teaspoon. I'll sprinkle just a little bit over there. Just about a teaspoon on this layer, and I'll add another on the top. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on the top and then finish it off. Alright, so everything is now combined. Add a little bit of parsley on top. You guys know I'm a sucker for dried parsley flakes because we tell you, I always used to buy the parsley fresh. And I spend so much money on it and I don't really use it all the way through, so I'm wasting it. So buying it dried, I know I'll have it for a long time. Alright, let's pop that into the oven. Alright, so basically, I think 350 is like a general temperature for most stuff, but I'm gonna drop this to like 380. It looks really beautiful. I've made enough space at the top because for the top I'm gonna put the chicken in. Alright, so I'm gonna close that up and get ready. Alright guys, so basically I rubbed some butter all over the pan and I'm gonna put the chicken on, so this baby's all greased up and stuff. And yeah, you know when you cook without a recipe, sometimes you do forget a couple of stuff, so I dropped some blotches of butter on top of that. It's gonna increase the flavor and it's gonna make it, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, so my cousin just wanna wrap that baby there, dropping the chicken onto it nicely. First, I'm gonna give them some space, and yeah, I might pack it a little bit tight, you know what I'm saying? So it looks pretty good already. I'm trying to feel if I'm feeling stickiness, like it doesn't feel very sticky, like honey on it, but we can always throw honey on top of it afterwards. I think that's the ginger juice. That's probably it. Yeah, don't put the sauce on it now. That's the sauce is for later. You wanna pop those on it like that. Alright. Into the oven, boy. Make sure it's not hot enough. Burn your hand. I will go with
Man, a tug.
strong man.
Don't try it at home.
Guys, if you're a Jamaican, you know what's going to happen next. Yo, drop in the comments if you know exactly what I'm about to do next with these two. Alright, so just gradually now basting it. My cousin has been out here doing a good job basting it. So it's adding some more honey ginger sauce on top. Nothing complicated, anybody could do this. Preferably I'd like to have like some foil to seal it over, but I don't have that. Not at home. And I forgot to buy it. I could have bought the same thing like the mac and cheese thing here and cover it, but yeah, I wasn't thinking too straight, so this will work. Drop the temperature a bit so it can slow cook and finish. Preferably I want the color to be like this. Alright, so because now we have some, what are these things called?
I think I call them Brussels sprouts and asparagus.
Alright, we're gonna have some Brussels sprouts and asparagus. So basically some olive oil, salt, black pepper. You just go saute it a bit, and I give it some nice color. And then what I like to do, I add a bit of water, give it a slight little steam to it so it will cook down. All of this shit. Easy, Chef Kiani. Alright, so we got some mac and cheese, and you can feel it. Well, you guys can't feel it, but I can. It is combined together quite nicely, and that's because of the eggs. The eggs hold it a little bit, so. And that looks exactly how I want it. I hope it tastes the way I want it, because we didn't use a recipe. Just to show you guys what my plate looks like. So there we have it. We have some, yeah, whatever you want to call this, honey ginger chicken. We were just messing around in the kitchen. Of course, some mac and cheese over there, quick, simple and easy. Asparagus and some Brussels sprouts, and of course we're gonna pour up some wine, some Chardonnay actually, to top everything off. Alright, so pouring up naked and some Chardonnay. Yes. That fits too. So, Nigga Dan says the asparagus tastes like Karud when she right. It tastes like the stalks of a Karud for real. But she loves Brussels sprouts like me. So, I just want to, first of all, want to have a toast to God for making all of this possible. Like every success, every meal, like it's not us, it's not on us, it's on God. Give thanks to that, straight up, no going back. And yo, give thanks to like good company, man. You guys have been like, yo, freaking awesome. Like, so you don't know, my cousin is like one of my biggest supporters, is I mean, straight through. Like always willing to help me with everything, and like I love and respect you for that. Is it my Nikki Dan is the boss? That's how we call her, Nikki Dan. The female Dan, isn't it? Like, so she's really in charge of making sure that his meals are not 100% there, you know, because she's gonna snatch something out of it. So it's a whole vibe. It was a great weekend. This is basically gonna be our last vlog here. We wanted to do like a lot more videos and stuff, but we just chilled out, hung out with a couple people. Well, Tiffany. And yeah, she didn't make it today because some whatever, long story. But yeah, so the next thing that you guys are gonna see video wise might be me doing the whole what you call it, boat thing, and you know, finish the registration, and then we should be out at sea, isn't it? What do you think about the meal though? It's a quick meal, like we never had no idea like what the hell we were doing. We just do some stuff together. What do you think?
You see?
Wait, let's get a toast to Keanu's speech. Here we go.
Yeah, because you know you're about to be in it.
Yo, me never skeptical yet, never. And so when I see that honey and that ginger extract cause a boom when I meet my friend.
Alright.
Yo, I tell her.
Nikki Dan, what's about you?
Alright, like all your meals, it's really good. But thing I like with you and your chicken, like the chicken, it not just tastes like chicken. Yeah, like it always has some different flavor, taste, like every different thing that is done to it, it just tastes everything right through. And
he's exotic.
we think, should I get him one certificate now, Stefan?
Yeah, as I would tell you guys earlier, like chicken is the most basic and most common meat for him, especially in Jamaica. So it gets boring after a while. So you have to make sure that you do something different with it. So
it's really
yeah,
good that they can actually
try something new.
yeah.
So guys, if you're out here, try something different with chicken. You never know. Peace.